Do you want to view saved items on Facebook Marketplace? You can find saved items on Facebook Marketplace with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To view saved items on Facebook Marketplace, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap the Marketplace icon at the top or bottom of the screen. Now you are on the Marketplace home screen. At the top of the screen, you will see the profile icon, just tap on it. A new screen will open with different options. At the top of the screen, you will see the Saved Items option, just tap on it. In the Saved Items section, you will see a list of all items you have saved. Tap on any item to view its details, contact the seller, or unsave it if needed. Your saved items will remain here until you remove them manually.